Welcome to Bike Review Pro, your go-to place for the most thrilling updates, and today, we are stepping away from two wheels to dive into the skies. Get ready as we explore the 2026 F-22 Raptor, a modern marvel that redefines air dominance for a new era. A new era for the Raptor. Initially introduced in the late 90s, the F-22 was already unmatched. But the 2026 upgrade pushes boundaries like never before. Built with next-gen stealth coatings, revamped aerodynamics, and smarter systems, the new Raptor proves that even legends can evolve. It's not just an aircraft, it's an airborne predator reborn. Game-changing technology. Inside, the Raptor is practically a spaceship. The cockpit now features a fully integrated AI-assisted system, holographic displays, and real-time battlefield analytics. Pilots are no longer just flying, they are commanding a networked swarm of battlefield assets, all from the sky. Hypersonic weaponry and beyond. Weapons-wise, the 2026 F-22 isn't playing games. Equipped with hypersonic missiles, laser defense pods, and enhanced electromagnetic pulse cannons, it's designed to neutralize threats before they even appear on radar. This Raptor doesn't just strike, it dominates. Stealth 2.0, now you see it, now you don't. The biggest leap. Stealth 2.0 technology. The 2026 Raptor uses active camouflage that adapts to its environment, making it nearly invisible not just to radar but also to infrared tracking. Against both enemy sensors and the naked eye, it practically disappears. Global impact and future missions. With rising tensions across the globe, the upgraded F-22 is set to play a pivotal role. From deterring threats in contested airspace to supporting humanitarian missions, the 2026 Raptor ensures air superiority for the next generation of conflicts and peacekeeping. Final thoughts, born to rule the skies. The 2026 F-22 Raptor isn't just an upgrade, it's a rebirth. Faster, smarter, deadlier, and almost untouchable, it cements its place not just as a fighter, but as a symbol of futuristic air power. At Bike Review Pro, we are always chasing speed, performance, and innovation, and the 2026 Raptor delivers all that and more. Outro, subscribe for more high-speed updates. Thanks for watching. If you love high-speed tech and next-level machines, whether on two wheels or at Mach 2, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro. The future is fast, and we are just getting started. Character count, 2960 characters. Would you also like me to create a separate ready-to-paste YouTube description and tag suggestions for this video? It would make your upload faster and boost engagement.